everybody, welcome to our online showroom. My name is Eileen. I'm so happy to stand here to show you our products. Although you cannot come to visit our factory personally, it doesn't matter. I will show you all of our hot sale items one by one. And before the product demonstration, I will introduce you our company firstly. We are committed to the production of high-quality folding tables, folding chairs, and workstations, and also all kinds of accessories such as the keyboard tray, cable management, and LCD arm. We have more than 22 years experience. We are exporting to more than 15 countries and having agents in Spain, US, and Australia. The Steelcase, Hong, Global are having OEM in our factory, which are the top 5 countries among the world. Now, I will show you a short video to make you know our company well. Please don't leave, because after the short video will just take you about 1 minute. I will start to show you our folding tables, folding chairs, and also the high adjustable table. And if you have any question about our items, you can just leave us a message. I will answer to you after the short video. Now, let's take 1 minute to watch the video. See you guys a moment later. Thank you for watching our video. Welcome back. I hope the video will make you impressed and bring you more confidence on our factory. By the way, our factory is located in Foshan. We have over 800 workers and 100,000 square meter working plant. Most of our items has passed the BIFMA test report. Our guarantee period is long to 5 years. As long as you have any need to our products, just contact us. There is no any need for you to worry about the quality. Okay, the next, I will go into today's topic. The first product I want to show you is our folding tables. The folding table can be used for training room, conference room, school room, and also the multifunctional room. Now I will show you how to use the folding table to optimize your working space and create an elegant office environment. I will also show you how the tables are working and what's the selling features. Here I have the tables. Now I will make a quick setup and reconfigurations. For example, now I will need a small group meeting, and I need 2 tables for a group discussion. So I just put down the tabletop and join together. So now I have got a small meeting table. It can be used for 8 person. Or I can also change the way like this. I can put this table in this way. Now, this table can be used for 8 person because this one is in different size. But when you place the order, you can order the same size tabletop to make it the same. And after the meeting, if I need to use the space for other special event, I can just fold the tabletop and storage, and also move it to the side. Now I fold it and stack together. Now I storage the tables like this. It's saving a lot of space. So this is the importance for you to all these kind of folding tables in your working space, because the folding and stacking function will allow you to reset your space configuration very easily. For the folding table, we have 8 kind of different design, including of two different materials and 4 kinds of folding mechanisms. Now I will make a detailed introduction for our folding tables. This table frame is called Odin. It has a simple but stylish look. Only the beam is in 1.5 mm steel, and the other parts, including the top bracket, the column, and the base, are in aluminum. And the base is 3.0 mm thickness aluminum. Now, let's have a close look at the telescopic beam. It's telescopic beam, so it's extendable. Now I will show you. I can just lose the screw here to make it longer. You can see that. Now I made the table leg to be longer, so it can fit for large tabletop. And it has the scale mark here. It represents the length of the tabletop. So it will be very easy for you to know the length of the table leg. Now it's 1.5 meter. So I will fix the screw back. With this kind of telescopic beam, it will be very convenient for you to keep the stock for the table leg, because no matter what size you need, you can just order one size table frame. With this kind of telescopic beam, the table leg, the table frame can be, the size can be as little as 1.2 meter all the way up to 2 meters. So no matter what size you need, you can just order the same frame because it's one fits all. Now I will show you the table base. We have 2 kind of different size for the table base. This one is narrow foot. The width is 570 millimeter. It's normally used for tabletop of 600. We also have a bigger one that can be fit for tabletop of 800. I will show you the bigger one. Now, this one, the width is 790 millimeters, so it can be used for tabletop of 800 millimeter. Now, let's make a compare. You can see that this base is larger than this one. Okay, now I put it back. For this table frame, the caster has the locking function. Lock, unlock. And when we lock the caster, it will be unmovable. also has the high adjustable part. With this adjustable part, even the table is using on the uneven floor, we can adjust this part to make it stable and maintain the levelness of the tabletop. And the other part I want to show you is the anti-crash. I will show you the function of the anti-crash. You can see that when I stack the table together, the anti-crash bumper will touch the tabletop, but it will protect the tabletop to be scratched. And this is just an optional accessory. There will be extra cost if you order this accessory. And now, I will show you the function of the folding. When I press the button, the brake key will get loose, so it can be folded. It's very easy to operate the folding function. And you can see that this one is in black color, and it also comes with the modesty panel. We can make the modesty panel in wood or in steel. You can see that with the casters, I can move the table very easily. And the next one, I want to show you the Vanalo table, which is also comes with the telescopic beam. This is our Vanalo folding table. It's using the same cable control mechanism and also comes with the telescopic beam. It's also in aluminum. But for this one, as the foot is smaller, so it can be fit for tabletop of 500 millimeter. Let's have a close look at the base. If you want to have the tabletop of large size, such as 800 millimeter or 900 millimeter, we also have another delving folding table. Now, I want to show you the delving. Here we have delving. It's in full aluminum, including the beam. And the base is in chrome. You can see that it looks very stylish and fashion. Honestly, this one is my favorite style, but if someone doesn't like the chrome base, we can also make it in full white color or black color or even silver color. And this one, it comes with the cable clip. For example, if your socket is on the floor, the wire can go from the leg to the beam and then to the top. Now, let me show you the tabletop. This is the socket sticking to the tabletop. So with this kind of socket, the use of the supply for power will be very convenient. And we can see, for this one, the base is symmetrical. So the user can sit at each side, can sit here or here. And one of a 1.2 meter table can be usually used for 6 persons. If you need other size like 1.5 or 1.8, we can also make for you. Because for all of these folding tables, we usually have 3 standard size, which is for 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8. Okay, that's all for the aluminum folding tables. We have 3 standard size, 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8. And we can make the color in white, in black, and in silver. Now we have prepared a summary for you to review their selling features. we get a lot of questions from our customer, now we have worked out the most frequent questions. Now, let me answer to the most frequent questions firstly. The most customer care about the packing weight and installation. One customer called John was asking whether it will be complicated to install the tables. Actually, our packing is very simple. The table frame is just one carton for each set. And the installation of our tables are also very easy because all the table legs are full assembled, and it will just take you a few minutes to assemble some screws, and we put the installation instructions in every package. It will be very easy for you to understand the installation procedure. Even if you are just a girl or it's the first time for you to install the tables, you can also finish the assembling in very short time. We will show you some pictures later. Besides, there is also customer asked whether we have any certificate for the tables. Yes, we have. As what I mentioned at the beginning, we have the BIFMA test report for most of our products. So almost all of our folding tables has the BIFMA test report. Now, let's have a look at the pictures. Okay, the three above demonstrating models are for the aluminum. Now let's check about the steel one. For steel, it will be more attractive in price because as you know, the cost of steel is cheaper than aluminum. Now I will show you the first steel folding table. This one, its name is Mio. It's our new design. It's using the different folding mechanism, but it's also very easy to operate the folding function. I will show you. You can see that I can only use one hand to finish the folding function. I can just rotate one side. Let's have a look at the rotation. And it's also nestable. Let's have a look. For this meal table, the base is inside it. It's normally used for the hexagon tabletop in small size, and the hexagon tabletop is normally used for the training room or meeting room. Now I will show you the combination. We can combine the table in this way to be a hexagon tabletop, or I can change the weight like this. Yeah. And then I can fold it. and nest. Apart from this kind of sliding leg, we also have the other one is in straight. I will show you later. This table is in straight leg. We can have a compare. You can see the difference. For this table, the size can be from 1 meter to 1.8 meter. And it has the wood modesty panel. This is the wood. We can also change it to be steel. Let's have a look at this table. Okay, now I move it back. And the next table I want to show you is this Marco and Marco Plus. It's using the different folding mechanism. Let's have a look. The handlebar is on each side. Hold on that. Now the tabletop is unlocked. Hold on that. So I can put the tabletop, put down the tabletop like this. It's also very easy to fold it because you can just handle the one side. Now you got it? Okay. For these two tables, we can see that this one is in steel modesty panel, and this one is in wood. This one is in wood modesty panel. Let's have a look. And for the base, it's welded by robot, so no any welded joint can be seen. When we nest the table together, we have a plastic pad here to protect the base to be scratching. Let's have a close look at the plastic pad. And we can see that the caster has the locking function. This one is bigger caster and this one is smaller. But for our casters, it's just commonly used for all of our folding tables. You can also use this bigger caster on this silver frame. And it also comes with the locking function. Locky, unlock. Apart from this one, we also have another Panamo folding tables. Also is using the bigger caster. This is Plano folding table. It's using the same cable control mechanism. And it has the steel modesty panel. And you can see that the color is in white. But for this folding table, it has a magic function that the other folding tables don't have. I will show you. You can see there's a screws here. Now I will win it out. It's used for maintaining the levelness of the tabletop. So now I win it out. Yeah, like this. This Plano folding table looks very durable and strong, and it also comes with the big caster with the locking function. Locking. Now it's fixed, unmovable. Unlock and unlock. Now it can be moved again. If you think it will be too complicated to lock the caster all the time, we also have another folding table, but Lin has no the locking function for the caster. I will show you now. This one is Berlin folding table. The caster has no the locking function because it has the auto pin can fix to the floor automatically. Now I will show you the folding function. Now I put down the tabletop. You can see that the pin will fix to the floor and grab to the floor. Now it's fixed. And this one is very stable. The tabletop can be 800 millimeter to 900 millimeter. It will be also stable. Now, when I fold the tabletop, you can see that the pin will rise up automatically. Let's have a close look at the pin. And this table have the bookshelf and also the modesty panel. If you don't need the modesty panel, you just don't install these two brackets on the table frame. You can see that I can remove the modesty anytime. Now I hold it back. This one is also very easy to move it. So, all these steel tables are foldable and movable for easy mobility and convenient storage. With the durable material and a wide range of combinations, combined with a variety of different shade and different color tabletop, and also the chairs, creates a clean and uncluttered look. Now we also prepare the summary for you to review their features. you for watching. Now we get some questions from our customer. Let me answer together. The first question is about the color option. For the table frame, normally we have white, black, or silver. And for the tabletop, we have 12 different colors for your choice. Let's have a look at the table color. Maybe it's not clear to show you the color in front of the camera. If you have need, please just send us a message. We can provide you the free sample. The second question is about the size. For the table frame, we normally have 3 standard sizes, which can fit for tabletop of 1.2, 1.8, and 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8 meter. If you need other size like 1.3 or 1.4 meter, you can also use our standard size that fit for 1.2 tabletop, or we can make the table frame in customized size. The third question is about the lead time. For new production, it normally takes about 25 days. But if you order our standard size in smaller quantity, we also have available stock and can arrange the delivery in very short time. The other question is about the payment terms. It will be 30% deposit before production and 70% balance before delivery. And if we have the available stock, the delivery will be arranged in short time. You can just make a full payment before delivery. But usually, please transfer the payment 3 to 4 days in advance. Because you know, the payment usually takes time. And many friends ask which country we sell the most. We sell to Southeast Asia and Europe, which is our biggest overseas market. We also sell to Canada, the US, Australia, and the other markets like the Middle East and South American countries. Besides, someone asked if possible to send goods to the other supplier. The answer is yes. If you just order small quantity and not fulfill even a 20 GP container, we can send the goods to your other supplier and combine with your other goods, and we can ship them together. Okay, that's all for the question. As I mentioned, our table leg is welded by robot. Now we will make a tour to our factory's production line to see more processing of our production. Tables. Absolutely, we also have the matching chairs. Now I would like to show you our folding chairs. This is our latest design. It's oven chair. Oven is the chair you can match your office space, whether it's for meeting room, training room, or also working station. It's in aluminum frame and mesh back. It has an elegant and stylish look. And for the mesh and the fabric, we have different color for your choice. This one is orange, and this is in gray mesh. We also have the other 3 colors here. And later I will show you our sample swatch for other color. Now I will fold it and step back quickly. it's saving a lot of space. And the next chair is this one, Austin. Austin is specially designed as an good choice for the training room or other areas has the need for flexible arrangement because it's also foldable, movable, and also stackable. The frame is in 1.5 millimeter thickness. It's very stable and heavy. It's also in mesh bed and fabric seat. And this one, it has the adjustable backrest. Now let's have a try. The backrest will swing with my body moves naturally. And we can also cancel the armrest like this. This one, it has no the armrest. And we can also stack it, fold it and stack very quickly. We also have the plastic bag, like this one. It's in plastic bag. It will be just the same price as the mesh. And this is the different color fabric. Now I fold it very quickly and moving back for saving space. And this one is our baler chair. It's the same material, steel frame, mesh bed, fabric seat. But this one, the folding weight is a little different as the two chairs demonstrated before. It can be folded like this, so it will save more space. And this one, it comes with the writing tablet, so it can be used for the training room. It has the cup holder here. Here, so you can put your bottle. Now I put it back, and it can be folded. Even with the writing tablet, it can be also stackable. This one, it has the casters. We can also cancel the caster and change to be glide. This is with caster and this is with glide. As the three chairs are in horizontal stacking way, now I would like to show you another one in vertical way. This one is Odyssey. It's also adjustable back, in mesh and in fabric seat. And this chair is also steel chair flat in black color. We can also make in silver color or even white color. This one comes with the caster. We can also change it to be glide like this. For the mesh, we have different color for your choice and for the fabric. Now I will show you our sample swatch. For the fabric, we have 4 standard color for your choice, and this is for the mesh. It's not clear to see the sample swatch in front of the camera. If you have any need to our sample swatch, please send us a message. We can provide you the free sample. And now I will step back the chair. In this stacking way, it's saving a lot of space. Okay, now I would like to show you another series, high adjustable table. This one is Oxford. Oxford, it adds functionality and style to any office space. It has the function of high adjustable. It can be used as an lectern table or reception table. So it can be used for many different places, like the training room, meeting room, or other applications. It can be high adjustable. It's very smooth. And this one is made in full aluminum, and the tabletop is in NDF. It's also flexible because it has the casters. Okay. And this one is Eden. The Eden high adjustable table is also made in full aluminum and in NDF tabletop. It's a little higher than this one. It's more than 1 meter. For the table frame, we have white and silver color, and we have the star for both of the table leg and the tabletop. So if you have any need to our high adjustable tables, please just contact us. Okay, I have finished the demonstration for this live show. Our next show will be started from about 4 hours later. Thank you for your watching. See you.